Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Tuesday morning. Oh, yesterday was an adventure in the baking kitchen. As you know, I did a Scotch shortbread. And thankfully, I do have enough experience baking even though I don't like it. And things like flour don't like me, or yeast. I've been doing shortbreads for years, decades, because I could manage those. This shortbread first had no vanilla in it. So I added some vanilla. And then, personally, I thought the dough was a little dry, but I didn't add any moisture to it. I went with it. So I got it in the pan, did the pricking and all that stuff. And then I got it in the oven. Now, the oven was originally set, according to this person's recipe, this person's method, at 300 degrees. After 25 minutes, 'cause I know my oven's finicky. We've talked about this in the past about my oven, about not being at temp and, and blah, blah, blah. And I do use a thermometer, by the way. So when I pulled it out at 25, it wasn't even close. Because shortbread there's a couple things you look for. Brown edges is one, and firmness, and yeah. So, let's just make this story short. I ended up, after 20 to almost 30 extra minutes, pushing the oven at 375, and finally, after about an hour in the oven, it finally came out. Came out fine. It's good. I might not share this recipe, just because it's got flaws in it. Last night, I prepared, I'm going to look at my notes, cheesesteak tortellini in rich provolone sauce. Mwah! This is a very good meal. It's got plenty of veggies in it. It's got some steak in the tortellini. Yeah, this is really good. I didn't use a provolone. I used a mixed blend, same thing, of aged hard cheeses, from Trigento. But it was still really good. Robin says this is a repeat. We get to repeat this one. So it's really good. We had plenty of leftovers. Robin took some work for work today because she liked it that much. Because she took majority of the soup from Sunday. So yeah, and she left me lunch. Woohoo! Today is super, super simple. Not the most economical meal, when you really think about it. But this is super simple. Today, I'm putting together, actually, I'm not really putting anything together. I'm doing some cutting, doing some, some prep. A chef salad bar. Yeah. Let me show you. Got some hardware for boiling eggs. Romaine hearts, eggs. We have sliced Swiss, sliced sharp cheddar. I'm going to be slicing up part of this English cucumber. The other part, I'm going to do my Asian cucumber salad that we really love. We have ham. I'm reading labels here, get it right. Ham, beef, and turkey. I've got a Roma tomato, which I'm going to dice up. Of course, some salt, some pepper, and Robin and I both like Kraft Thousand Island dressing on our chef salads. So, like I said, super simple, not the most economical when you start adding up all these other guys. But this is a fun one. It's easy. Robin's got a meeting tonight, so that's part of the reason why for the chef salad. Here are 2 pieces of the shortbread from yesterday. This is all I kept back. Robin took the rest of it to work. So, let me get in some light here. On this Tuesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.